The last form of the minor scale that we want to talk about is called the melodic minor scale. And it is the most complicated form of the minor scale, however, it is the most frequently used in the type of music that we're studying in this class. Now, to create the melodic minor scale, again, start with the natural minor scale. To turn this into a melodic minor scale, you raise the 6th and 7th scale degrees. So in this case, we have F going up to F sharp and G going up to G sharp. Okay. Now, the thing that makes this more complicated, however, is that there's one more step to this. With melodic minor scales, you raise the 6th and 7th scale degrees only when you're ascending. When you're descending, they go back to their original note. So in this case, it was originally G, goes back to G natural. In this case, the F sharp goes back to F natural. Okay? And the way this sounds is... So it's really two different scales that are put together. Going up, you have the raised 6th and 7th scale degrees. Going back down, it's exactly the same as the natural minor scale. Again, this can get confusing when you have a lot of sharps or flats involved. Okay. With this one, E minor, you're raising C sharp and then go up to D sharp. When you're ascending, and again when you go back down, then it becomes D natural and goes back to C natural. Now, with a scale of D minor, again it gets a little bit more confusing. The 6th and 7th scale degrees, in this case, are B flat and C. So B flat has to be raised by a half step, and when you raise a flat by a half step, it goes to a natural. So we have B natural, and then C sharp. Then, descending, they go back to their original note value, and which means that this goes back down to C natural, and this was originally B flat, so it goes back down to B flat. Okay. So melodic minor scales are very confusing. However, like I said, they are the most frequently used in the type of music that we're studying, especially when you're looking at Baroque and classical and romantic music. Alright, so do some practice with this, and then I'll see you in the next unit whenever you're ready.